Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, it is kind of early here in my area, and I figured why not? Let's get a kickstart on the day, right? We got something special for you today. Oh god, I'm kind of looking off to a side. Hold on. Yeah, hopefully it'll be a little better. Johnny Slicks is back on the channel. Today, we're going to take a look at his vanilla beard oil. So stay tuned. After we roll that intro, I'm going to tell you exactly what I think of that one. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers, thank you so much for finding the channel. It really means a lot to me that, you discovered this channel and are taking a look. Now, for you first-time guys, and you long-time viewers who haven't done it yet, man, look down in that corner right down there. You should see a small channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, should bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early, and you'll feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Okay. So, for those of you who've been watching my channel for a while, you know Johnny Slicks is no stranger to the channel whatsoever. We've brought, if I can remember correctly, one of his pomades and one of his organic beard oils to the channel before. Look up top. I'm going to leave you a card to every single beard care product we have ever done. You're going to find them both right in there. Now, I can tell you with 100% certainty, this is made in the USA. They are out of North Carolina. Johnny and his partner Nick are both former U.S. Marine Corps. So Semper Fi, devil dogs. You can find them, and I'm going to leave it right down below at www.johnnyslicks.com. They are an all-organic company. All right, there's this big, huge debate on his website. I'm going to let him get into all that if you go on over there and take a look. Organic versus natural. I will tell you, the first time I tried his beard oil, man, it seemed like a whole world of difference going on. It's the easiest way I can put it. It seemed entirely different. You know, like when you use oil and you switch to something else and it feels a little weird? This one felt like a serious game changer to me. Now, it does come in a 1-ounce amber bottle with the little droppers that I love, or you can get it in a 2-ounce bottle. And I think they're both really reasonably priced. The 1 ounce is $12.99, and the 2 ounce is $24.99. So if you look at the 1 ounce, it's right in that lower end of a zone where I'm really happy paying for a 1 ounce bottle between 10 and 20 bucks. Now, it does have the little dropper that I love, and hopefully you can see that. It does have a bit of a clear to semi-yellowish tinge to it. No biggie, it's just seriously how the carrier oils and everything mix, which gives it its color. Now, speaking of the carrier oils, it's got tea tree oil, argan oil, jojoba or jojoba, however you want to pronounce it, oil, Brazilian nut oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, and fragrance. And they want to specify it's body safe. And that's something I really love about this company. They are very, very peculiar about what they put into their stuff. And they want to make sure everything is safe to go on your body. And yeah, stress, right? I'm getting patchy. Yeah. Sorry. Now, the scent strength on this, I got to tell you, honestly, it's about a medium. You can really smell it, and it smells great. It's not a freaking knock you out kind of smell, but it is a smell that you're going to sit and go, damn, that is awesome when you're wearing it. Now, its profile is like vanilla bean and caramelized sugar. And I have to admit this. When I use this one, and later on in the day, and like I said before, in that card, you'll find it. I use their Cinnamon Rolls pomade in my beard. Oh my God. Seriously, it's like I was drooling going, where is the food? Where is the food? Even, my daughter, the brat, was going, oh my God, Daddy, your beard smells incredible. Yeah, honestly, I really can't say enough good things about Johnny Slicks. I found them completely by mistake, with a Facebook ad, like I said in a previous video, and I went, isn't that the one? And when I saw Johnny's partner, I went, okay. After trying his first one, he's got a lifelong customer in me. And no, I'm not being paid to say any of this, it's truly how I feel. This stuff is freaking phenomenal. Now, if you've never used beard oil before, okay, beard oil is more for your skin under the beard than it is more for your beard. It's going to help eliminate that beard itch when it's growing in, that beard rough, when you're having some problems, when it's growing out. And it's really, really easy to use. Like I showed you, it has a little eyedropper in there. You basically get whatever amount you do, drop it in your hands, rub it together, and just work it right into your beard. Generally, I'll go, up, down, and start working in, especially down here in what they call, kind of the dead zone. Get it worked in there, and you just comb it out. Essentially, it's like a vitamin supplement for your skin in order to promote healthy hair growth. Now, I know there's lots of people out there going, oh, beard oils are bunk, beard oils are crap. I will tell you from personal experience from me, my beard comes back a lot quicker than it does, like when I had to shave it when I'm using beard oil than when I'm not using beard oil. But with all that cool stuff being said, guys, it's a simple label, seriously. Real simple. And that's kind of what I like, the simplicity of it. But here comes the fun part. I want to know what you think. Questions, comments, love, hatred, everything, man, down below. Especially if you've used Johnny Slicks before. I would love to know your experience with this company, because I have had an incredible experience with this company for finding them completely by mistake. And I will admit, as a vet, they are my go-to choice for beard oil and beard products because they are veteran-owned. I want to help support a brother's cause. I wasn't Marine Corps, I was Army, but Marines are damn good in a pinch when you need some help. Alright, guys. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time guys who did not do it at the beginning of the video, here is your second chance at redemption. Wow, train of thought early in the morning, sorry. It's like 0512 where I'm at. I figured I'd get a head start on shooting videos for the day. Like I said, here's your second chance at redemption. Take a look down there. I believe it's going to be in that, like that corner. It's going to be somewhere down below, alright? It's early, leave me alone. It's going to be a bigger channel symbol popping up. Man, click on that. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked subscribe out of the way, go ahead and destroy the bell icon. Why? Great question. It's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to pop up, and I hope I get this right, that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at Johnny Slicks Vanilla Organic Beard Oil. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.